Hi guys, good morning all. Today we are going to see a different topic, simple topic in different way. So what are the differences between scalars and vectors, and what are the differences between distance and displacement, and what are the differences between speed and velocity? Otherwise we can say distinguish between, so both are same. So let me move into scalars and vectors. Scalar, it refers only a magnitude. The example for scalar is speed. The next one is vectors. It refers magnitude and also direction. And the example for the vectors is velocity. Now the example for scalars is mass. It mentions amount of matter. So the value 150 kg, the number 150 mentions scalars. So the example for vectors is weight, which is also known as gravitational force. So attraction of the amount of mass towards the center of the earth. So the red arrow mark indicates the direction. 1500, the number value indicates the magnitude. So next one is adding scalars. Scalars only refer to quantities only. So how we are adding? Suppose we are adding 0.5 ml, 0.5 ml, 0.5 ml. The total value is 1.5 ml. So we are taking only the quantity. How to add vectors, both magnitude wise and direction wise, how to add. Suppose 10 Newton and 4 Newton we are adding. They are acting in the same direction. The net value will be also in the same direction. So it is mentioned 40 Newton. So next one is we are subtracting the vectors. The bigger one is 10 Newton and the opposite vector is acting in the opposite direction. It is 4 Newton. The net value is 6 Newton. So the net value will be in the direction of bigger value. Let us see the differences between scalars and vectors. Scalars are having only magnitude. Vectors, they have both magnitude and direction. When we see scalars, it doesn't obey laws of vector addition, but whereas in vectors, it obeys laws of vector addition. Examples for scalars is mass, speed, density, etc. Whereas examples for vectors is weight, which is also known as downward force, gravitational force, velocity, momentum, so etc. we can tell. Let me see the differences between distance and displacement. Distance is a measure of how far an object travels over a certain period of time. Distance can be measured in any length, units including kilometers or millimeters, but is usually converted into meters. So meter is the SI unit for distance. Distance is a scalar quantity because it has only size, that means magnitude, but no direction. Displacement describes the change in position of an object and its direction over a certain period of time. It is the shortest distance between the initial point and the final point. So the SI unit for displacement also meter only. The direction of the change in position can be described using compass points, left or right, otherwise positive or negative, whatever it may be. Displacement is a vector quantity because it has size and also it has direction. See this diagram. The actual path covered between 2 points is known as distance. The blue dotted line shows the distance. Displacement. The shortest path between 2 points is called as displacement. So the green dotted line is the shortest point. It indicates displacement. Displacement is always straight line. Let me see the differences between distance and displacement. The difference between any 2 points is called distance. The shortest distance between any 2 points is called displacement. Distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. Distance is always positive. Displacement may be positive or negative. Distance is not measured with respect to a reference point. Displacement is measured with respect to a reference point. Distance depends on the path. Displacement does not depend on the path. It depends on initial and final points. it is represented by d, but it is represented by vector d. The vector symbol is added here. So the distance value cannot be 0, but the displacement value can be 0. These are all some examples. So there are some differences between distance and displacement. So the next topic is speed and velocity. Speed, it determines how fast an object is moving. So the distance traveled by an object divided by the time is known as speed of the motion, speed of the object. Speed is represented by the symbol v. Simply it is represented by the symbol v. So it is how it is computed. Speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is usually measured in kilometer per hour or meter per second. So the SI unit is meter per second. Next one is velocity. So it tells the speed of the object and the direction it is traveling. So it is represented by the symbol vector v. How to compute velocity? Velocity is equal to distance by time with specified direction. Otherwise we can say velocity is equal to displacement by time. Velocity, like speed, it is also measured in kilometer per hour or meter per second together with the direction. But the SI unit of velocity is meter per second only. Let me see the differences between speed and velocity. Speed, it is rate of change of distance. But whereas velocity, it is rate of change of displacement. Speed is a velocity without direction. Velocity is a speed with a given direction. Speed, it is a scalar quantity. Velocity, it is a vector quantity. Speed, it can never be negative or zero, but velocity, it can be negative, positive or zero. So speed v is equal to d by t, but the velocity is mentioned by vector v is equal to the displacement vector d by t. So the average speed of a moving body can never be zero. Average velocity of a moving body can be zero. Speed, it indicates the rapidity of an object, whereas velocity, it indicates the rapidity and position of an object.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.